ఏంది లిటర్ స్పెల్లింగ్ LITER
TTER
LITTER లిటర్ చెప్పు
ఎక్కడ లిటర్ చేయదు ఎక్కడ ఇది చెప్పు
ఆన్ రోడ్
గుడ్
O and on ROOD
ROAD ADS ఏ చేయదని ఓ తర్వాత
A
DS
DS
full stop. Next habit. ఏమేం రాసినావు చదువు
We have to help others. We should not brush.
We should not brush.
We should not push others while playing. We should brush twice daily. We should be clean and tidy. We must listen to parents. We have to read and write regularly. We must be on time to school. We should not litter on roads.
Next habit. Good habit. Chippinga.
We should erase paper.
We should erase paper.
Yes. I don't know. Video